Today, I'm super excited to share 3 awesome hidden tricks that you absolutely need to be using right now with your Galaxy devices. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can stay updated on all the cool stuff we've got coming your way. So, let's jump right in. First up, did you know that your Samsung Galaxy device comes with a free live TV feature? Seriously, if you've got any Galaxy device, you've got to check this out. Just swipe up to access your app drawer and find the Samsung folder. In there, you'll spot an app labeled TV. Open it up, and you're greeted with a whole lineup of live TV channels to browse through. You'll see a ton of categories, so whether you're in the mood for news, movies, or even some kids shows, it's all right at your fingertips. If you're into sports, they've got you covered too. Just tap on the Live TV option at the bottom right corner, and you can start watching whatever you fancy. It's a super handy way to catch up on your favorites without needing a separate subscription. Go check it out. Next up, this one's a game changer, especially for all the travelers out there. We've all been there where you want to watch something, but maybe you forgot your earbuds, or your battery died, or you're in a public place where you can't just blast the sound. Well, here's where the live caption feature comes to the rescue. All you need to do is press the volume up or down on your Galaxy device. On my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, I see 3 dots pop up, and there's a little icon that looks like a square with lines in it. If you tap on that, live captions will start rolling. You can read along with what's being said, which is super helpful if there are no closed captions available. You can even tweak the settings to adjust the language or move the captions around if you need to. If you want to get rid of them, just swipe down or hit the volume button again and tap that icon to dismiss. Easy peasy. Alright, moving on to the last trick. If you're having any issues with your Samsung Galaxy phone, there's a built-in Self-Diagnostic tool that can check everything from your display to your sensors, cameras, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Seriously, it covers just about every aspect of your device. Here's how you can do it. Head over to your phone settings and scroll down to Device Care. From there, look for Diagnostics and tap on it. You'll see a list of everything you can check out. If you're feeling adventurous and want to test it all at once, just select Test All, and your phone will run through every diagnostic to make sure everything is working like it should. At the end, you'll get a report on any issues it might find. Super useful, right? So there you have it, 3 fantastic tricks to enhance your Galaxy experience. I hope you found these tips helpful in your daily life. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.